ABC News. This is Today.
And is there really a cure for baldness?
Too late.
Well, do the creams really work? Or how about this gadget here? It's supposed to bring blood to your hair follicles and fatten them up. Well, we're going to put it to the test and see if it works coming up.
Time to shed a little light on baldness.
It affects most men and a surprising number of women as well. But as health reporter Dennis Doda says, shine the right kind of light on the problem and you may grow a solution.
While a new trend in Hollywood boasts bald is beautiful, many men would still prefer to hang on to their hair.
Presenting the hottest new weapon in the arsenal, lasers. They work by boosting the blood supply to your scalp.
Laser therapy is going to enhance the quality of your living and growing hair. Your hair is going to grow better, thicker, stronger.
Laser light like this is particularly attractive to women who can't use Propecia, don't want to bother with Rogaine gels, and tend not to bald in one spot. Rather, their hair thins all over.
Didn't realize how much hair would go.
After battling a large brain tumor, Dr. Anita Buckler feels lucky to be alive. 6 weeks of daily radiation treatments finally did the trick, but
It zapped my hair, and they warned me it might not ever come back.
on its own it did not. But when Anita agreed to be zapped again, this time by a low-energy laser, something amazing happened, as documented by the series of photographs.
And obviously, it was very, very successful. I am ecstatic about it.
Dermatologist Dr. Bradley Kurgis has specialized in hair transplant surgery for nearly 20 years. But for those who want a non-invasive approach, he's brought low-level laser light therapy to the Central Coast.
The low-level light laser has no side effects, no downtime, no pain, doesn't cause any redness to the skin.
Scott Taylor is using the treatment on his thinning hair. He's a perfect candidate.
Our best candidates are people that are noticing thinning or a change in the texture of their hair. I found this to be incredibly great for women in their 40s and 50s that are early postmenopausal.
It's about 90% effective to help people stop losing hair.
Dr. Robert Reese has made laser therapy a routine follow-up care when a patient has a hair transplant. He believes it stimulates better circulation in the scalp.
I've seen very good results to kickstart early hair growth on patients that I've transplanted.
The Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit is designed to stimulate miniaturized hair follicles with low-level laser energy. A laser concentrates light waves of a specific energy into a beam of colored light. Humans can see a range of energy as colored light, known as the visible light spectrum. The Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit emits light from the red end of the spectrum, which has been proven to stimulate body tissues to increase cellular energy. This increase in energy enhances cellular processes such as growth and eliminating waste. It may also reduce the inflammation surrounding miniaturized hair follicles, allowing these follicles to take in more nutrients and restore their normal size. The Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit stimulates hair follicles in transitional and resting phases of the growth cycle to complete these phases more rapidly. Once these phases are complete, the hair follicles are available to take part in an actively growing phase, which is stimulated to produce thicker, fuller, shinier, and healthier looking hair. The Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit contains low-level laser energy diodes in an open-paneled hood. The hood is designed to deliver low-level laser therapy to the entire scalp simultaneously. Each laser is angled to spread out the beam of light it emits in order to create a laser energy field. This laser energy field fully covers the entire scalp, penetrating through the hair and skin and into the hair follicles. Due to its beam dispersing technology, the Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit has the safest rating of all laser devices used in the hair restoration industry. Also, whereas other low-level laser energy products provide treatment through concentrated dime-sized laser spots, the laser energy field created by the Sunetics Clinical Laser Unit provides full, consistent coverage over the scalp, giving its users a dramatic advantage.
Generating revenue with this laser system is very effective because all physicians are looking for a product that they can increase the productivity of their office and their net income without actually taking their own personal time. It's a very simple and extremely safe technology to use. It is considered a non-significant risk product. That means any member or staff member of the physician's practice can take this laser system, treat a patient without concern of the physician being present.
As a hair restoration physician over the last 10 years, we've had great experience with low-level laser therapy. Those Sunetics units are the units that I use day in and day out to treat patients with hair loss. We use the in-office clinical units as well as the handheld devices. So I know it's a reliable product, and it's the products that I use day in and day out in my practice. I have 5 units.
There's really nothing to lose but more hair if you don't try this device.
For women, it's really a big self-image thing. It's a modern medical miracle.